Hello, I would like to introduce to you the PROGIO Night Vision Binoculars, model NV5000. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the case. I've said it once, I've said it before. Any product that you get that comes in a nice package or a case says a lot about the manufacturer. So, we're going to open this up. I'm going to show you the binoculars and what else comes with it. And I'll show you the functions and how to use it. And at the end, we're going to go outside because this is not just a night vision binoculars, this is also daytime. So we're going to be going outside. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the daytime as well as at night. So let's get to it. So here we have the strap. So you can go ahead and strap it around your neck if you choose to. We also have, hold on. Oh, we have a card reader, which is really important to have. You have the lens cloth cleaner. You have a USB cable, which I could only assume that this is for, okay, so if you put it on a power bank, you could go ahead and charge it up. Has a menu, which of course that's important to have. And then we have the PROGIO Night Vision Binoculars. It has all your function buttons. This would be the screen that you would be looking through. And what I just noticed right off the top of my head, on the older versions, I have a set, but to focus, it actually sticks out. I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you at the end. But on this one, you have it right on the bottom, so you can go ahead and focus with this one here. And while I'm here, I might as well show you. This is so you could put it on your tripod. So this way you don't have to hold on to it. So I'm going to go over that with you. And we have which many do not come with, but this one did. It has your SD card, and I'm going to show you where to put this as well. So let's go over the functions. So here you have the power button, the mode. This is for you to go in and out. Your menu button and your shot button, and I'll go over them as I'm using it outside. And as I told you before, you can go ahead and focus with this here, and you can put it on a tripod. On the side, if I can find what side it's on, there it is. This is where you would place your SD card or your USB cable. Short and sweet. It's actually very light, and it looks very well made. I mean, she's nice and strong. So we're going to check this out. Now this is where you would place the strap.
Short hold IR arrow up to go to black and white. Press I or arrow down for color. Short hold mode to go to video, camera, and playback. Press menu to enter menu section. Short hold shot to enter photo resolution and confirm. Highest resolution megapixel 2048, 1536. Video resolution. Short hold menu. In menu section, short hold shot to enter video resolution. Short hold IR up arrow or IR down arrow to choose resolution. Short hold shot to confirm. Highest resolution 1920 by 1080p. Image effect. Long hold menu to enter. Lumen green effect. Long hold menu again to change back to color.